Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Stick around and I'll show you how to create scroll-stopping Facebook ads in Canva. Click the Create button to begin. Next, select videos from the available options. For this tutorial, we'll be using mobile video, so click on mobile video to continue to the next step. Search for a video here, or choose to upload your own videos. For this example, we'll use this template shown on the screen. Next, click to add a video from your playlist by selecting the desired option on this screen. To add a folder, first delete the existing one. Then, go to the Elements section and type Folder in the search bar. Place the object on the side, aligning it with the edge. Position it exactly as shown, with the side facing outward. Make sure the point is oriented to the side, just like this. Double check that it matches the reference position. Adjust as needed so everything lines up correctly. Once it's in place, you can confirm the alignment and proceed to the next step. To move the item, simply click and hold it with your mouse, then drag it to the desired location on your screen and release. Use this drag and drop method anytime you want to reposition the item. Now, let's start playback. Simply press the play button to watch your video. You can pause or resume at any time by clicking the same button, letting you control viewing speed and easily review any specific sections as needed. Remove the extra module by selecting it and clicking the Delete or Remove button. To edit the text, locate the section you want to change. Hover over the text area until you see the editing options appear. Click directly on the text to activate the editing mode. Type your new content or make any adjustments as needed. When you're finished, click outside the text box to save your changes automatically. You can add more text by clicking the Add Text button, then typing your desired content into the provided text box on screen. To add more images to your video, click the Add Image button. Select the image file you want to include. Repeat this process for each additional image you'd like to add. This allows you to customize your video's visuals by including multiple images as needed. Next, click the Share button and select Download. From the available formats, choose MP4 to save your project as a video file directly to your computer. Increase the quality setting to the maximum level. This will ensure you achieve the best possible video output for your project or playback needs. Now you know how to design eye-catching Facebook ads in Canva. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.